The Unleashed Customer Special Pricing feature streamlines pricing adjustments for specific customers, making it easy to set up discounts directly within a customer's record. In this example, we'll use Small Street Espresso as our customer. First, navigate to the Customer Pricing tab. We're offering Small Street Espresso a 15% discount on a case of blueberry jam when purchasing 6 or more units over the next 10 days. To set this up, select Add Product to input the case of blueberry jam, the 15% discount, specify that it's a discount being applied in the drop-down and not a fixed price, and I'm going to tick this box here as I want the discount to show in my orders and quotes to Small Street Espresso. Next, we'll choose which customer pricing to apply the discount from, the default sell price tier or the customer price tier, if this has been set up. Do note that if you want to apply a special price to a product group, for example, all the products included in my jam making kit, the default sell price is not visible in the discount from price box. Set the minimum quantity if you want to specify a minimum quantity for the discount to apply, and the start and finish dates for the special pricing. Note that the minimum quantity and dates are optional, but helpful for temporary promotions or wholesale discounts. You can add multiple products and use the search function up here to find a previous discount. If you want to search for special pricing on product groups only, select this button here. Here's a product group discount I set up previously for Small Street Espresso, who are getting a 10% discount on all jam making kit items, where I left the dates blank for an ongoing loyalty offer. For bulk updates, use the Import/Export button to download a template, fill in your pricing, and upload it back into Unleashed. Once saved, the special pricing applies automatically in sales quotes and sales orders, taking precedence over any sell price tier or quantity pricing discounts that have also been set up. When creating a sales quote for a customer, the discount appears when you select the product and click or hover over the tooltip on the product's price. This includes the base and discounted prices and the valid date range. Don't forget, if the information is in bold and white, that is the pricing that will be used in the transaction. This feature greatly simplifies pricing management, ensuring accurate and consistent discounts are applied automatically. Thanks for watching.